I'm about to upload this new beat. I was just working on it. I just mixed it out. You know, it's banging. It's the remix to Midnight Reflections. I already have it on the site at www.legendarybeatsonline.com. Alright, let me give you all a little preview because I know y'all fiending. Alright, check it out. Legendary, yeah. Y'all know y'all want this. Alright, it's gonna be available on the website in about like 20 minutes. Make sure y'all go and grab that. It's gonna be legendarybeatsonline.com. The hottest beats on the net. You dig?